Hi everyone, welcome to our channel GN Info 190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Russia develops cancer vaccine, promises free distribution for all citizens by 2025. Russia's new cancer vaccine aims to treat cancer patients with free distribution planned by 2025. The Russian Health Ministry has revealed that it has created a cancer vaccine which will be provided to patients at no cost starting in early 2025. Unlike presentative vaccines, this one is intended for treating cancer patients. Andriy Kaprin, General Director of the Radiology Medical Research Center under the Russian Ministry of Health, announced through Russia's TASS new agency that the country has developed its own mRNA based cancer vaccine which will be distributed for free. The vaccine is anticipated to become widely available in early 2025. Alexander Ginsburg, the director of the Camellia National Research Center for Epidemiology and Microbiology, informed us that preclinical trials have shown the vaccine can suppress tumor growth and limit the potential for metastasis. Previously, Russian President Vladimir Putin mentioned that scientists in Russia were on the verge of developing cancer vaccines that would soon be accessible to patients. We have come very close to the creation of so called cancer vaccines and drugs of a new generation, he said in televised remarks in February. Details about which types of cancer the vaccine targets or its official name remain unclear. Meanwhile, other countries are also pursuing similar advancements. For instance, the British government has partnered with German biotech company BioNTech to create personalized cancer treatments as reported by Newsweek. Ginsburg earlier highlighted that artificial neural networks could significantly reduce the time required to design personalized cancer vaccine to under an hour. Now it takes quite long to build personalized vaccines because computing of how a vaccine or customized mRNA should look like uses matrix methods in mathematical terms. We have involved the Ivanikov Institute, which will rely on AI in doing this math, namely natural neural network computing, where these procedures should take about half an hour to an hour, the vaccine chief told us. Meanwhile, pharmaceutical gains Moderna and Merck and Co are working on an experimental cancer vaccine. A mid-stage clinical trial indicated that this vaccine could reduce the risk of melanoma recurrence or death by 50% over 3 years of treatment. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.